Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. I'm a cybersecurity student, and in this channel I will be uploading videos of various projects I'm working on to build my portfolio. So, before we start, I would like to say that all things in the video are for educational purposes only. I own all the devices that I will be working on also. So, let's begin. We're going to open up our VM, and I'm using VirtualBox, and I'm running Kali Linux, VirtualBox, because it is free. And we will be talking about steganography, which is when you embed data into another piece of data. So once we're opening, we're going to go to our terminal, and out of best practice, usually just update your apps. So you go to sudo apt update, and then I do have a password. I don't know why I put one. It's a VirtualBox. Then I'll go through with it. Sorry in advance if you do hear my mouse clicks and my keyboard clicks. I have a desk mounted microphone. So once that's done, it'll show you what apps need to be updated. I'm not going to update anything, so for the next line in terminal, we'll go to sudo apt install steghide. Now this is the app we're going to be using to embed the file, and it's the same app you're going to use to extract the file. Now the person on the receiving end will have to have steghide installed in order to extract it. So you'll press enter, and then I already have it. So before I go in there, I'm going to put CD and go into the folder that I have it in. What folder is it? I believe it's my downloads. So let's go to downloads. And you press enter. Oop. That was wrong. I put the wrong function. Downloads. Then there you go. That works. Okay, so the files we are going to be using is an image file of myself, of course, and then this txt file. You can also do it with another image file. I believe you can do it with audio files as well, as long as it's of equal or lesser value. If it's a bigger file, it will not work. And the reason why I said the disclaimer for educational purposes only, because a lot of hackers will use this to add malicious code or malicious data into certain things, and you download off the web. I know you guys remember the LimeWire phase. So once you're back in here, we're going to go inside, and then we're going to do steghide embed -ef. The EF stands for embed file, and then the file we're embedding is going to be the sneaky.txt space -cf, which is cover file, which is going to be the JPEG that we're adding into it. So it'll be here, downloads /snap. It is case sensitive, guys, so please be aware of that. JPEG. Let's see. It'll ask you for a passphrase. We're going to use something super hard that no one will get. So remember, this password, the person on the receiving end will have to have it in order for it to work. So password. Then, as you can see here, it's embedding sneaky text. And then this is the file. Now it's done. So what you can normally would do is, I'm going to remove it from the folder. I'm going to take it out. You can't delete it because it's a hidden file. Why would you keep it? And then once that's removed out, if you want to extract it, or the person on the receiving end, you'll go to steghide space extract dash SF. SF stands for stego file, and then the location. And then you press enter. Again, make sure they have the password and you do not forget it. And then it wrote extracted data, and as you can see, it's back in the folder. So you open it up. It's just an I love you message from a lady, just in case she's watching the video. And that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope it was educational. Please like and subscribe and return for more. Thank you.